Hey, I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Hey everybody. So I want to take the opportunity to give you guys another update on things. So I posted an update on the channel regarding basically an update on things regarding the stuff I've been working on. I had to stop uploading videos for a little bit to take care of some very important home projects, including replacing these 3 back doors and some other things like that, and also to take a break for my mental health because I was experiencing burnout after spending much of the year busy with my place of work, busy with Cube Computer Channel, as well as Cube Comp MDDX. So, literally the morning after I shot the last update, which was November 14th, I got sick with a really nasty cold. It's probably the flu. It was not COVID because I did take a COVID test and it was negative. But you can still hear how hoarse I am. It's been literally the second half of this month. This has been crazy. So November 14th was when I shot the last update. That night I was actually starting to feel some symptoms of a cold, and then I started getting a fever and other things like that. And I ended up taking the rest of that week off of work. I spent the rest of that week here at home, mostly taking naps and sleeping all day, with hardly any appetite. Literally lost like 8 pounds. It knocked me down. I was feeling really, really horrible. And I got over the original cold, and I was no longer contagious, so I went back to work the next week. That was the week of Thanksgiving, and it just, the after effects just continued to persist. Occasional coughing and stuff like that, and literally that's how I spent the second half of this month. So literally, like right after I got the back doors replaced on this home, is when I got sick. So that's just how it goes. So yeah, obviously with my voice being hoarse like this and occasionally coughing, it's been not so easy to shoot videos. I did actually shoot a couple of videos over this week. However, I'm not sure if I'm even going to post them because, like, when I go to edit them, I'm going to have to cut out some parts where I had to stop and cough, and it's rough. But soon I will be posting new content. I'm actually uploading and publishing some videos that I've put together that I shot back in September and October. But soon I'm going to be getting back in here and shooting some new videos. I'm going to clean this place up a little bit and finish up some video projects I've been working on and get back into it. But yeah, guys, sometimes you just got to take a break. And of course I did that, and then I got sick. So that's just how it goes. So just want to shoot this quick little update for you guys. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Cube Computer Channel, and be sure to tick the bell. That way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following Cube Computer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.